In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create a poll on Instagram. So if you ever wondered how people have got people to vote on their stories, this is going to explain how you can get the same thing. And like always, please subscribe to the channel. I create daily content for you, tutorials, helpful ones that make your life easier. So let's get stuck into it. The first thing we're going to do in the top left hand corner, we're going to click the camera icon. And what I'm going to do is take a picture. So I've got a picture selected up here. So it's Captain Marvel and Wonder Woman. And if I can just keep my hand still, I'm going to take a picture now. Okay, excellent. We've got our picture. In the top, we've got the sticker icon. It's a little smiley face looking thing. We're going to click on that. And then near the top, the second row, we're going to click the poll button. So it's now asking for a question, so I'm just going to type who is better? And then if I click on yes, I get to edit that text, and I'm going to put Wanda. And then for Captain Marvel, I'm just going to put Captain. Excellent. And you have the freedom to move the poll any way you want. So you can just put it at the top, on the image itself, or just below it. I'm just going to put it just below it. And the next thing to do is click in the bottom left hand corner, your story. And that's how you create a poll on Instagram and share it with your friends. So see you in the next one. Bye.